The 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser motorhome represents a bold step into the future of luxury travel, bringing together innovation, Scandinavian minimalism, and cutting-edge technology in one stunning package. At first glance, the Copenhagen Cruiser immediately commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, a design that blends elegance with function. The exterior features smooth flowing lines, a bold front grille that reflects a modern Danish design aesthetic, and LED adaptive headlights that not only enhance visibility but also give the motorhome a futuristic personality. Built on a lightweight yet strong chassis, the Cruiser is designed for long-distance comfort, fuel efficiency, and uncompromising stability on highways and winding country roads alike. Its large panoramic windshield allows for expansive views of the road ahead, making every journey as visually rewarding as the destination itself. Attention to detail is evident even in the exterior paint options, ranging from subtle metallic silvers to rich Scandinavian-inspired matte tones, each tailored to suit the preferences of discerning travelers who see their motorhome not just as a vehicle but as a statement of lifestyle. Stepping inside the Copenhagen Cruiser reveals an interior that redefines what a motorhome can be. The design philosophy is deeply rooted in Scandinavian values of minimalism, functionality, and warmth, making it feel less like a vehicle and more like a luxury apartment on wheels. Soft ambient lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere, while the combination of natural wood finishes, high-quality fabrics, and eco-friendly materials creates a harmonious balance between elegance and sustainability. The lounge area is designed to be the centerpiece of the living space, with a spacious sofa that easily converts into extra sleeping arrangements, a smart entertainment system featuring a large 55-inch OLED display, and surround sound that transforms movie nights into cinema-like experiences. Panoramic side windows flood the lounge with natural light during the day, while privacy blinds and acoustic insulation ensure that evenings remain cozy and tranquil. Every aspect of the lounge has been engineered to provide comfort for both short trips and extended adventures. The kitchen in the 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser sets a new benchmark for mobile culinary experiences. It is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator that adjusts its cooling levels based on load and outside temperature. The countertops are made of durable stone composite, offering both beauty and resilience for years of use. There is ample storage cleverly integrated into pull-out drawers and hidden compartments, allowing travelers to carry all essentials without feeling cramped. The kitchen also includes a filtered water system and energy-efficient appliances powered by the Cruiser's advanced hybrid power setup, which combines battery storage with optional solar panels on the roof. This means that whether parked at a campsite or boondocking in a remote location, owners can enjoy full kitchen functionality without compromising on energy usage or sustainability. Moving into the bathroom, the Copenhagen Cruiser provides a spa-like experience rarely seen in motorhomes. The bathroom is designed with a walk-in rain shower enclosed in tempered glass, offering both luxury and practicality. High-end fixtures, including touchless faucets and a heated towel rack, enhance comfort, while the underfloor heating ensures warmth during colder climates. The vanity area features an illuminated smart mirror with anti-fog technology and built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to enjoy music or catch up on the news while getting ready for the day. Storage in the bathroom has been maximized through cleverly integrated cabinets and shelves, maintaining a clean, clutter-free environment that feels more like a boutique hotel bathroom than a mobile one. The bedroom is perhaps where the Copenhagen Cruiser truly shines in terms of comfort and relaxation. It features a king-sized memory foam bed with customizable firmness levels, ensuring restful sleep regardless of personal preference. The headboard integrates ambient reading lights and wireless charging pads for added convenience. The bedroom also comes with ample wardrobe space, cleverly designed to hold clothing for extended trips without taking up too much living area. Soundproofing materials keep the bedroom isolated from outside noise, allowing for peaceful rest even when parked near busy environments. Panoramic skylights above the bed not only bring in natural light during the day but also offer stargazing opportunities at night, making every sleep in the Cruiser a memorable experience. Technology is another area where the 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser stands out. The entire motorhome is powered by a smart home-style control system accessible via a central touchscreen or a mobile app. This allows users to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and even security features from anywhere. The Cruiser integrates seamlessly with voice assistants, making adjustments effortless and intuitive. Connectivity is ensured through satellite internet and 5G-ready hardware, guaranteeing uninterrupted access to work, streaming, or communication while on the road. Energy efficiency is further enhanced by a dual powertrain that combines electric propulsion for shorter distances with a high-efficiency diesel engine for long hauls, ensuring both sustainability and range without compromise. On the road, the Copenhagen Cruiser offers an impressive driving experience thanks to its adaptive air suspension and advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering this large motorhome surprisingly easy and stress-free. The cockpit itself is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring plush captain chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The large digital dashboard provides real-time updates on vehicle performance, navigation, and energy management, ensuring drivers are always informed and in control. Safety has been given top priority, with multiple airbags, advanced braking systems, and collision avoidance technology coming standard. Beyond the technical aspects, what truly makes the 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser special is the lifestyle it enables. It allows owners to embark on adventures with the comfort of knowing that they are carrying a fully functional, luxurious home with them. Whether it's exploring coastal roads, parking near mountain ranges, or settling into a quiet lakeside retreat, the Cruiser adapts seamlessly to every environment. The integration of eco-conscious technologies also ensures that owners can travel responsibly, minimizing their carbon footprint while maximizing their enjoyment of the journey. In summary, the 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser is more than just a motorhome, it's a revolution in luxury travel. By combining Scandinavian design principles with modern technology and sustainability, it sets a new gold standard for what motorhomes can achieve. From its elegant exterior and spacious lounge to its state-of-the-art kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and hotel-inspired bedroom, every detail has been crafted to elevate the travel experience. Add to that the advanced driving technology, energy efficiency, and seamless connectivity, and it becomes clear that the Copenhagen Cruiser isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about redefining the entire journey. For those who demand the very best in comfort, design, and innovation, the 2026 Copenhagen Cruiser is a dream come true, a home on wheels that brings together the beauty of Scandinavian craftsmanship and the excitement of limitless adventure.